You're being replaced. And you don't even notice. Harsh? Yes. True? Even more, yes. It never starts with someone walking in and saying, "Hey, just so you know, your position in my life is currently under review." No, it starts quietly. It starts slowly. It starts with the things you don't take seriously, until suddenly you're no longer the person they go to. Let me explain the part nobody talks about. When you're being replaced, the first sign is silence, not the peaceful kind. The "why are they suddenly fine without me" kind. The kind of silence that feels too calm to be normal. They stop updating you like they used to. They stop laughing at your jokes as fast as before. They start replying with one-word answers, and you think, they're just busy. Yeah, busy building a connection with someone else. People don't replace you when things are bad. They replace you when things feel boring, when you become predictable, when they feel emotionally single even though they're technically not. And the worst part? You're usually the last person to notice, because you're still loyal. You're still choosing them. You're still trying. You're still holding on to the version of them who used to show up for you, even though that version hasn't existed in months. People don't suddenly replace you. They slowly drift into someone else's attention. Your calls become later. Your messages become seen. Your presence becomes optional. Your feelings become "you're overthinking." Your absence becomes unbothered. When someone is replacing you, their energy changes before their words do. Their effort drops before their excuses increase. Their availability disappears before their affection does. When someone stops choosing you in the small ways, the big goodbye is already on the way. You start noticing the tiny things. They dress nicer when they leave the house, but not when they see you. They laugh harder at someone else's jokes, but barely smile at yours. They suddenly talk a lot about a friend you never met. And when you ask who it is, they hit you with, "It's not that deep." Yeah, it is. Your heart. Maybe I'm imagining it. Your intuition. No, babe. This is real. And here's where the humor kicks in. Because life loves irony. People who replace you always act like you're the one changing. They'll say you're distant, emotional, insecure, when the reality is they're just guilty and hoping you won't connect the dots. Replaced doesn't mean worthless. It means they lost the ability to appreciate someone who actually cared. Once they replace you, they eventually miss you. But only when the new person stops entertaining their ego the way you did. You're not afraid of losing them. You're afraid of admitting you already did. So let me say it clearly. You're not being replaced because you're not enough. You're being replaced because they don't recognize enough when they have it. You're being replaced. And you don't even notice. Listen again. Not to scare you, but to free you.